Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Redfin for neighborhood comps and pricing signals, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Redfin homepage. Once there, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name of the neighborhood you are interested in and press enter. After the page loads, you will see a map along with various listings. To activate neighborhood comps and pricing signals, look for the Neighborhood tab near the top of the page. Click on the Neighborhood tab to access detailed information. Scroll down to find the section labeled Market Insights. In this section, you will see valuable data, including recent sales and pricing trends. If you want to compare properties, look for the Comps option. Click on Comps to generate a list of similar homes in the area. Review the list of comparable homes carefully. Take note of their prices, square footage, and features. To customize your search criteria, use the filters available. Adjust filters for price range, number of bedrooms, and other important factors. After setting your filters, click the Update button to refresh the results. Examine the updated list to ensure it meets your requirements. You can also view graphs and charts displaying pricing trends over time. This information will help you understand the market better. If you need further insights, consider using the Redfin blog or Resource Center. These sections offer articles and tips regarding market analysis and real estate insights. Once you are satisfied with the data, you can bookmark the page for future reference. Consider downloading reports if they are available for a more detailed analysis. When finished, close the browser or navigate away from the Redfin page. This process will help you effectively activate and utilize Redfin's features for neighborhood comps and pricing signals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.